Hey guys, I wanted to do a video on my first gaming PC build I did with my son. We spent right around $1,401 to be exact, and it was a combination of places, and I was gonna just go over pricing and what I purchased and let you know that it pays to be patient and do your homework, because it did save a good bit of money. This is what I went with: the MSI Optix Mag 24C. There's the specs on it. Okay. Seagate 2TB Firecooler. The G.Skill Trident Z RGB. I did spend a little more than I wanted to there. I did cheap out and get a certified refurbished power supply, but it is a CX650M, and I only paid $35 for it, so that's pretty good. The regular standard hard drive was $93 at Micro Center. That says $239, but I only paid $169 on sale. The monitor was $169 as well, also at Micro Center. Best Buy price match on the GTX 1070 Ti at $399. They also price matched the i5 8400 8th gen. I'm not going to overclock, so I didn't get it unlocked, and I got that for $187. Everything else was from Amazon. It's the Versa N24. Went with the Cooler Master Hyper 212 for my CPU cooler. Motherboard is Gigabyte Z370 PD3. You can get them now for about $80 on Amazon. When I got it, it was $104, which was just 2 weeks ago. The up here box is a graphics card support, which is aluminum, and it was $10 on Amazon. Well worth it. The other ones I've seen were more money, and they were plastic. I got an M.2 SSD 240 gig, which was also on Amazon for, I believe, it was only $40, which was unreal and works fantastic. I mean, this PC fires up, within 20 seconds. Did get this mouse for $15. Seems to work very well. It's got RGB lighting. This mechanical keyboard was also on Amazon for right at $29. Works great. No complaints. Also with RGB lighting. The Versa N24 at the time was $59. So that was a good deal. I got the Hyper 212 for $25 on Amazon. So, I'm doing pretty good here. And that's about it. So let's, the build is done. I just want to touch base on where I ended up, what kind of money I spent. Oh, and I spent another $12.50 on RGB magnetic light strips, top and bottom, on Amazon, which came with the fans, which are super quiet and seem to work great. Now I've got 3 more additional fans in this case, 2 on top, 1 in the back. Some people might think it's overkill, but you know what? Keep this rig running cool, I'm happy. And there's that graphics card support bracket I was telling you about. There's the G.Skill. That was 16 gigs, 2 8 gig sticks for $169, I believe. Almost positive $169. But all in all, I think I did pretty good price wise. That 1401 includes everything that I showed you: case, wiring, fan splitters, keyboard, mouse pad, MSI Optics Mag 24 with FreeSync. Oh, it also included a Wi-Fi dongle, which was like 15 bucks. I've got something a little better than the little $5 crap that they sell you. Let's get this thing fired up. Using the DVI. Let's see, I'm just gonna... As you can hear, the keys are nice and solid. Picture's really good on this thing. I did want to load something that showed off the graphics of this thing, but I just got it done this afternoon. And haven't had time to really load anything. Let's just look at the the only thing I didn't get was a speaker system, which I use a headset all the time anyway. I know this headset, that was like a $15 headset. This is my son's room, and was built, this gaming computer was built for him. Could not be happier. Do your homework, guys, and just shop around. Best Buy price matches. Micro Center has great prices on some stuff. Amazon has better prices on keyboards and the mouse. And the CPU cooler was actually $35 at Micro Center, and it was $25 on Amazon, so saved a bit there. And like I said, taking my time and shopping around, I saved a good bit of money. I mean, $14.01 for what I got going here. I was looking at the Omen with the i7 7700, and it had a 1070, not a 1070 Ti graphics card in it. That was this one's super clocked, black edition. So I'm very pleased. I'm gonna do a startup on this thing. Let's shut it down. Shut down. And then let's fire it up. That's it. Like I said, I have zero complaints. Go back to YouTube. That's about it. Just wanted to go over everything. If you're doing your first build, just be patient. And make sure you have everything wired up right before you plug in your rig, because you don't want to fry anything. Thanks for watching. Take it easy.